Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. It's been a while since my last video, so I am back with something that I think really gonna help new researchers. So today I'm going to talk about ExCITATION, a Chrome extension that might help you check journal rankings on Google Scholar. So something sounds cool, right? Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you wanna try it, it's super simple. Just search for ExCITATION journal ranking Chrome extension on your browser, and then you will find it on top. Click the link, add to Chrome, add extension, and pin it here. So before installation it looks like this, okay, and I'm going to refresh it. Boom, it looks like this. Here we can see the journal rankings Q1, Q2, Q3, and yeah, you can see everything. If you hover, you can see the details. So actually here Q1 tells us it comes from top journals, and Q4 low ranked journals. So, and another interesting thing I found that it will warn you if the source might come from a predatory publisher. So if you're using this, I can assure that you will feel much safer knowing that you are in good hands while searching for papers. Actually, it's a very handy little tool. So if you are newbies in this research area or anyone doing academic research, it might be very helpful for you. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.